Yeah, hi everyone. So maybe you're looking my face for very first time. Yeah, for that reason only I purchased these headphones and webcam. So welcome back to the channel and as we are solving this SQL 50 sheet and we have solved the 8 problems from this sheet, and today we are going to solve the next problem, which is a rising temperature. So let's jump on to the question what the rising temperature says. So in this case we have one table which is a weather table, and it have three columns, which is the ID, record date and temperature, and we have to write a solution to find all the dates with the higher temperature compared to its previous dates yesterday. Okay, they have mentioned yesterday for very specific reason, and we have to return the result table in any order. Okay, so let's examine the input. Then we have these four entries. We have to return such IDs where the yesterday have a low temperature than today. Okay, that's very simple line. So in this case, here is a 10, and before that there is a nothing. So let's see the next row. There is a 25. So yesterday is a 10 temperature, means it is a low, then we have to return the ID 2, right? For the next day there is a 20, which is a lower than 25, then no need to return. Then next one is a 4, sorry, 30 temperature, which is a lower, sorry, which is a greater than 20, then we have to return the 4. So output is a 2 and 4. Simple. Okay, so firstly try by yourself, think, and then come back to this video. Yeah, so let's try to think what can be the solution for this. Hmm? And as this problem is a categorized into the basic joins, then we are going to use the joins here. Okay, so select id. Okay, for a specific reason we have giving the w1 dot id from, okay, from weather w1 join weather w2. So we are joining this table with the itself on the id column. uh, Basically means we are joining this table based on the date difference from the previous and today's. Okay, so first of all I will like I will write the solution and then try to explain these things. So we are getting the w1 dot id, means we have to return the IDs from the and here we are writing the join solution, which is a weather 1 and weather 2. Okay, let's assume in the mind like there are the two tables and we are going to join those things. Okay, so on there is one function which is a date diff, which will return the date difference from the two dates. So obviously it will take the two parameters, which is a dates w1 dot record date and w2 dot record date, where difference will be 1. That entry should be come inside the like output of the join. Okay, so now until this query we have the solution of the entries where the date difference is a 1. Okay, and now we have to check where w1 dot temperature greater than w2 dot temperature. Okay, now we have entries with a date difference 1, means the consecutive dates like yesterday, today, today, tomorrow, like that. And now we are filtering based on the our condition, which is our output condition, which is where w1 dot temperature should be less than w2 dot temperature, means we are assuming w1 dot temperature is a yesterday's and w2 dot temperature is a today's. Got it? And okay, so let's order by w1 dot based on the date, record date. Okay, so firstly let's try to run this, then I will explain. So yeah, it's accepted. Let's hit the submit button and yep, all test cases are passed. Yeah, so what we done here, we are getting the id. Okay, the output, the main output we want to return. So we are getting the id from the table. Okay, and basically we are joining this table with the itself on the basis of the date difference of entries. What it is mean, that we are getting only these entries if the date difference is 1, because we want the consecutive dates. Like I said previously, here they mentioned the yesterday for very specific reason. So again read this question and then try to relate this logic. So we are joining on the date difference 1, where the yesterday's temperature is less than today's temperature. Okay, okay, vice versa. So basically it is a today's and w2 is a yesterday's, and order by the record date. Yeah, so that is from my side today. Yeah, thank you.